now?
Alright, so we are going to separate in this experiment casein from milk. We have the ingredients here, the cow milk, reduced fat, white vinegar, and then we need a glass for filtering, a small bowl for pouring the white vinegar, a 1 cup measure to measure the milk, spatula for stirring, and 2 paper towels. So we are going to add 1 cup of milk and the saucepan, to the cold saucepan. Okay, and start heating it. When it about boils, I'm going to reduce the heat. In the meantime, I'm going to pour the white vinegar and have it ready. We are doing this because it's very important to add just small amounts of white vinegar and to the hot milk, and to change the pH of the medium so the casein can separate and precipitate. Both the change of pH would precipitate the protein. Another way of denaturing a protein would be by just heat itself, and we are going to use that method in separating from the filtrate. We will separate lactose from albumin. Let me see. It's like watching paint dry. Okay, just a little longer. It's okay, I'm gonna edit that part out, I think.
Do you want me to?
So the milk just started to boil. I'm gonna lower the heat. Okay, and now I'm gonna start adding just a little bit with this is oh my god, I don't know. It's a 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, so I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar and stir. Okay, well, I'm gonna add another 1/4 teaspoon. That would be my second. third quarter teaspoon. Something is starting to precipitate, but not enough. Okay. Gonna try to make the globule of casein to just maybe smoosh it in a corner of the saucepan, gather it together to help with my filtration process. Okay, maybe a little bit longer. And those were 3/4 teaspoons of white vinegar. I'm going to add another one. That's my 4th. Okay. Alrighty. So it looks like it's separating nicely. Okay. Maybe I'll add a little bit more. My solution is not very clear. So this would be my 5th quarter teaspoon of white vinegar. Okay. I do have a globule of casein. I hope you can see it. I guess this is the same process that Indian people use to make ras malai, an Indian sweet based on milk casein, which I adore. All right. So I think I'm ready to filter the solution. Okay. I'm going to quadruple my paper towels. I hope it's gonna work without accidents. Using my good arm. Almost. Oh, I'm losing some of my solution. And oh, I can switch off the heat. So in my filtrate, accumulating now at the bottom of my okay. Of my glass here, I should have just lactose and albumin, while my casein is being filtered out because it's the precipitate in the solution. I think you can stop it now. Okay.